Hey guys, I thought I'd show you this clever little idea that we came up with to cut these elbows. We made this cool fixture on the, we're going to put them on the mill, but we decided to just use them on the drop saw out back. So Johnny made this fixture, little blocks, got a piece of 1¼ inch sked tin pipe welded to an elbow. Actually I have two different sizes. So we're cutting these guys right here. This is what it looks like before. And this is what it looks like after. We cut it. We're just going to do a little sanding on it to burr the edge real nice. Comes out pretty slick. Sometimes you need a little ingenuity and make some things happen. So Johnny's out here kicking butt on the saw.